Hi, it's Jennifer with Jennifer at Home, and Alan and I are getting ready to go on a trip. We are going to go on a trip to Arizona to see our daughter. I'm super excited about it, and we're going to be taking some specialty foods that we all love together that Sarah has grown up with. We have made some pulled pork on our smoker, and I have that in the freezer ready to go. And to go with it, I'm going to be making some homemade potato salad and homemade pasta salad, and we'll take those things and I'm going to surprise her with some brownies. Homemade brownies are in the oven, and I can't wait to get those out and take those and package them all up to surprise her. We are going to be getting up and leaving bright and early tomorrow morning, and we thought we would take you along with us on this family trip. As soon as I get this food fixed and put in the refrigerator, it'll be time to go do some packing. There is only one thing about taking a trip that I don't enjoy, and that is packing my suitcase. So I have my suitcase here, and I have a luggage stand that I put it on in my bathroom, and that way I can bring everything out of the closet and put it right in my suitcase. The only trouble is deciding what to pack. Well, I got everything packed. I have my underclothes in the front with some laundry bags, and then inside I have a couple pair of jeans and some shirts and some pajamas. So I'm all set for the trip. I'm trying really hard to learn to pack light. It is so easy to overpack, and I'm trying to make some new habits of packing much lighter, packing coordinating clothing so that I only need to take one or two pair of shoes to go with everything. And then I have this bathroom bag, so everything for Alan and I fits nicely in this bag. I have toothbrushes and dental floss, shampoos, body wash, deodorants, hairbrushes, Band-Aids and ointments, anything at all we might need in case we get cut or have an injury. This way everything can pack up nice and neat into this nice little hanging bag. I've just taken the brownies out of the oven. They look delicious and they smell wonderful. I'll let them cool and then I'll package them up for our trip. I have all the food ready to take to our daughter's house. Some homemade brownies, potato salad, pasta salad, and pulled pork. We'll pick up some fresh buns at a bakery once we get to Arizona. We have the car all packed and we're ready for our trip to Arizona. Okay, we're at Sarah's house now. We're so excited to see Sarah and her little cute dog Jade.
And Mitch later tonight.
Yes, he'll be home after work. And I got a new game that we're gonna play. I couldn't remember the name of it. I told Sarah it was called Say It, but it's actually called That's It. So I was showing her the game a minute ago, and I was guessing at the rules on how we should play. And Sarah reminded me that maybe we should just...
They come with instructions on how to play the game.
Maybe we should just read the instructions.
And not make up our own.
Yeah. But it looks really fun, and we're hopefully going to play this after dinner tonight.
All right, you guys want to go get some lunch?
Yes, let's do. And then let's go shopping.
Woo! We should go say hi to Mitch.
Hello. Something a hospital uses to transport patients.
Gurney.
Stretcher.
Gurney, stretcher, wheelchair.
That's it.
Woo!
Where'd Mom go? Where's she? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Use your nose. Sniff her out. Where'd she go?
Why are you so smart?
She got a good sniffer.
She does. Well, like she never goes in the laundry room. She'll never get it.
Good morning, it's day 2 of our Arizona vlog adventure trip. We are heading to Ace Hardware to get some wonderful things for Alan and our son-in-law Mitch's smoker. And so we're going to go there and get some pellets, hopefully, and some seasonings. And then we're going to go to IKEA and go do some shopping in IKEA. Okay, now we're at IKEA. Let's go inside and see all of the new things that they have.
Arriba!
I'm putting the thumbnail.
It's heavy.
It's so happy.
I just knocked her out with my head. Hold it up with your head.
Okay, it's day 2, and we are gonna make some Mexican. Okay, it's day 2, and we are gonna make some Mexican lasagna.
Great.
It's day 2. It is day 2, and we are gonna make some Mexican lasagna.
Mitch, what are you making over there?
Some guacamole.
Guacamole?
pumpkin bread with some spice cake mix and some pumpkin puree.
Hey, that's your famous recipe.
It is. I'll mix
There's a video about that.
I'll mix the two together, put them in this pan, and bake it with the lasagna. I almost forgot to share that we had pumpkin bread for breakfast. The pumpkin bread that I made last night was simply delicious this morning. Let's go in and have some lunch at one of our favorite places to eat. This is our last night here in Arizona. Sarah and Mitch are making a wonderful orange chicken that we got from Trader Joe's. We can't wait to have it. We've had it here before and it is absolutely delicious. Well, we're almost home from our trip to Arizona. We're back in the neighborhood again, and we had a wonderful time. We are home from our trip, and the first thing we do when we come in is unpack and put our laundry in to wash. Well, now that we're back from our trip, I had the laundry in, and that's the first thing I do when I come in, put in all the laundry from our trip. And then I'm going to show you what else I do. I put the suitcases away, everything's unpacked and put away. Even the things from our shopping trips are put away. And I'm going to show you what I do next to get ready for my next trip. Our daughter Sarah recommended this really neat travel bag to us. It opens up and it has a hanging hook so we can hang it up, and it has 4 different sections. All of the different sections have a zipper. And now what I'm going to do is go through and take out everything that's in here and wipe it out if I need to. Then I'm going to replenish this bag with shampoos, conditioners, deodorant, all of our things that we need, dental floss, new toothbrushes, everything we need for our next trip. And that way I'll fold it all up just like this and zip the bag, and it'll be all ready for our next trip. And should we ever encounter an emergency of any sort and we need to leave town quickly, our bag with all of our hygiene products will already be packed and ready to go. So that way we can just grab it and get out the door. I wanted to show you my necklace. This is a necklace that is actually from 2 necklaces. It has 2 little charms, and I got this many years ago when my daughter was really small. I found on a clearance at a Hallmark greeting card store. I think that they have very few of those around these days, but I found a mother necklace and a daughter necklace. So I bought both of them, and they were only just a couple dollars a piece. But I put both charms on one of the chains together, the mother and daughter, and every time I go visit my daughter, every time I go visit Sarah, I wear this necklace to her house and wear it the whole time I'm there. So that's why I've got it on today, because we just got home and I wore it this morning. I've worn it all weekend at her house, and I'm sure she really appreciates the thoughtfulness whenever I see her. Well, I just heard my dryer go off, so all of the clothes in the dryer are going to need put away now. So I'm going to go take care of that. Then Alan and I are going to fresh up and go get some lunch. We had a long drive back. We left at 4 o'clock this morning, and now we're home and ready for lunch. So I just really hope that you enjoyed traveling along with us to Arizona and enjoying this weekend with us. We had so much fun, and I hope you did too. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to click the bell. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button as well. And I'll see you next time.